Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make some few boxes with Kucoin app, how you can make some money with Kucoin app, or you earn extra cash with Kucoin app. One thing I want you to know is that Kucoin app is being underrated because a lot of us are familiar with the Binance app. We tend not to see other apps, and those other apps also they offer something good. So I'll be explaining few things on this Kucoin app. Most especially I'll focus on the parts where you can earn some bonus, or where you can earn little money. Now, before I go on, I would like to tell you that this video should not be taken as a financial or legal advice. What I would say is that you should make your own research and do what is right. So I'll try as much as possible to explain to you how you can get some bonuses on this Kucoin app. In my previous video, I showed you how you can get $1,200 for free, and you can get that $1,200 for free from this trading bot. So if you click it, either you are old or new subscriber, you can get that $1,200 and you will use it to trade. They will trade it on your behalf. They will be trading $20 every 4 hours on your behalf, and you are the one to choose a particular coin that you know that will grow. So if you are being given $1,200 and to trade, you know what that means. So make use of the opportunity. You make research on a particular coin you want to trade and set it so that you'll be able to earn. I will not be going over that in this video, although for trading bots there are other bots there that that Kucoin have, where you can earn without doing the trading or much of the trading yourself. Everything has been set there, and you can just go there and pick the particular trading bot you would like to use and invest the amount you can invest. So you start trading and you start earning. But in this video, I will be talking about how you can get some bonuses on the Kucoin app. So the first thing you do is that after registering, you register with Kucoin, either with your email or a phone number, and then you have access to Kucoin. Although you don't really need to do verification before you can do some things on the app, but if you want higher limit, I would advise that you complete your verification so that you will not have anything hindering you, and so that you have higher limit. So I will leave a link in the description box where you'll be able to register. I will leave my referral code and also a link for you to be able to register on Kucoin. So what you do is that you go to this place that says more. You click on more. And then the first thing that you would be seeing on this page, you will see a place that says KCS bonus. You see, for this KCS bonus, what happens is that Kucoin is giving anybody that holds at least 6 KCS, that is their native token, anybody that holds 6 KCS in his wallet, such a person will be giving bonus every day. You'll be earning bonus every day. Let us see, for example, here. You see, these are the top people who has gotten bonus from Kucoin. You can see the person that's occupying the #1 spot here. This is his email address. This is the number of days in which he has been trading. That is 1,048 days. And for him to hold Kucoin for 1,048 days, although they did not specify how many Kucoin this first person is holding, he has been given $2,118,527 as bonus. You can see here total bonus this first person has gotten. And if you go down, you see the person that's occupying the 8th position. This is his email address. This is number of days he has been holding KCS, and look at what he has gotten. He has gotten 705,092 KCS in his account. That is the bonus in dollars that he has gotten. So if you also hold KCS, Kucoin will be giving you bonus every day. In my main account, I'm also holding KCS, and I get bonus every day from Kucoin. So if you're also holding KCS, you'll be getting this bonus. So I would advise, if you are a person, maybe you are new to crypto, one of the things you can do is to come to Kucoin, buy the Kucoin, the coin, and you hold it. And it's still at the early stage. So if you hold it right now, in some months to come, you will see the results that we get. So that is one way which you can get bonus on Kucoin. Now, another way which you can get bonus is through this place called Rewards Hub. So when you click on the Rewards Hub, you'll be able to see the bonus that you can be given, most especially a newbie. If you are just coming, or if you are just registering with Kucoin, you see here it says welcome gift. So if you click welcome gift, you are told to deposit at least 50 USDT for you to be able to win a gift, and you will actually be given that gift. Because if you click on OK, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to tell you what you need to do for you to get that bonus. So you can see it says bonus up to 500 USDT. That is a welcome gift. So it says here that you should tap any of these boxes for you to continue. You go to withdraw and so on. I don't want to do that right now, so that it should not take time. So you can just come to that section, and also you earn bonus. Another place where you can earn bonus on this Kucoin app is through learn to earn. Learn to earn would, like, maybe what they do is that you would read through and answer some questions. Then if you answer correctly, you'll be given all of these bonuses. It will be credited into your wallet. So that is what you get from learn to earn. And also, if you come here and trade some coin, although it requires like some amount of coin for you to trade so that you can get that bonus, let's open it and see. This place says spot trading. When you do spot trading of this amount, then you'll be given 5 USDT. When you do robot trading of this amount, you'll be given 3 USDT. So if you do futures trading as well, you'll be given 2. If you do margin trading, you'll be given 2. So you'll be able to keep those bonuses to yourself. So that is another way which you can earn bonus on the Kucoin app. And also another place in which you can earn bonus, we have discussed about the KCS bonus. We have also discussed about the reward hub. So if I've given you value in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person to be notified as soon as I drop new content that would benefit you. So now let us check out the last one that I'll be discussing in this video, which is the candies. So when you come to candies here, you will be given like some candies that would serve as a token for you to win some fortune. If you look here, it says Wheel of Fortune. So if you are able to acquire some candies, here it says check in for 7 consecutive days to get additional candy bonus. So when you get those bonuses, it will be applicable for you to get some draws here, and also for you to win some points and some USDT. So you can go through it yourself and see and check in. If you check in every day, you'll be given some candies, and those candies you can convert them so that you will be given some USDT, some points, and other things like that. So there are a lot of ways in which you can earn more bonus on this Kucoin app. So this is what we'll be discussing today. And let me mention quickly that another way in which you can earn bonus on Kucoin is through the referral system. So you can go to their referral system, share it with your friends and family so that they also register and you continue to get bonuses from Kucoin. So like I said, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you could be notified as soon as I drop new content. So in my next video, I will also be showing you how you can make money with another app. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.